My group was working with learning tools, and I in particular was content standards. I was able to find some great programs that I think I can really use in the classroom. So I'm going to go through a few of the ones that I picked that I really like. The first one is called Academic Skill Builders, and this is looking a great way to maybe finish out a lesson or when you have a little time in between that really great video game feel that they love. It'd be a fun way to help achieve mastery of some of those different skills. And I had never really used a topic with lectures from experts. They have a wide range of topics, can be used to give perspective and generate discussion, which is always kind of difficult at our grade level to do. Also helps students become more interested and invested in a topic, which so seems like a great way to do that. Another one was illumination, and this was a really interesting, not only because it offered activities and games, but also provided lesson plans for the different grade levels. Standards-based, which is wonderful, and real-world math problems, always really difficult for us, so that would be a real help. Brain teasers look really great for the kids to use also, maybe as just a little in-between time so they can fill those extra minutes with a learning activity. The next one was WebQuest, and this looks like a really great way to do several research projects throughout the year. Kind of has been as a detective and information. Room. So it was wonderful to get their information, perspective, or maybe how they'd use them or what they'd use them for. And I found some great ones that that my team shared that I really looked at as something I could use right away. And a few of those are the blog Create, Dream, and Explore, which mainly covers Google Apps and a lot of great Google Classroom information. Since I tried to kind of get that going this year, I thought this would be a great way for me to have a little bit more of a resource to help me continue that next year. The next one was called BibMe. It's a free bibliography and citation maker. And as my kids work on research projects, this is something they have to do. So I thought that would be a great aid in them working on their research papers. The next one was called Read and Write, which was an extension for Chromebooks, which my students have. And as we do our writing papers, I thought that would be a great way to help them kind of edit, spell checks, things that would really kind of help me speed along the process of a writing project, which often takes a really long time for us. And the last one was podcasting, which I didn't know a lot about before this, but looked like a really interesting and great way to also kind of generate some discussion and maybe kick off a project or a writing paper or something along those lines. My takeaways from this assignment, while I found wonderful and great options, if I had to pick just a couple, I would probably choose the Google Classroom resources to really get me started and keep me moving with my Google Classroom, and had some great different resources that I think I could use right away. And then the Read and Write extension, which since we are working on our final paper right now, I think this will be a great help for me to try this out and then be able to utilize it next year with my students. So these are a couple of things that I think I can use right away. I learned a lot through this assignment, and I really enjoyed being able to collaborate with all of the people in my group and got a lot of great things that I think I can use.